and hello world. We are at IFSEC 2022 event on number 5, and with me Mr. Harikrishnan sir is here. He is a general manager of ZKTECO Biometric India Private Limited. So Harikrishnan sir, can you brief us what product has been displayed here?
Yes, very good morning to everyone. Hi, this is Hari from ZKTECO Biometrics India. So we will start from our time and attendance machine. So we have our own time and attendance with the software. This is inbuilt ZK software. We have a machine called MB30 that is facial machine. Then we have our K40 that is our traditional biometrics attendance machine. So K40 have an access control system. Then K45 that is with 1,000 users. 1,000 users. Then you have a battery, inbuilt battery. Okay. Then we have K45 machine. It has 800 users. So these are the tradition machine. SF100 for access control, then F18 that is for access. So this is the ZK basics access control machines, starting from face, fingerprint, and access some of the access control. Then
So we are on round, sir. We are see other products also.
Okay,
Can you brief our follower and subscriber what other products are you displaying here?
So this is our Indian made software, EasyTime Pro. Those are the machines which is connected with Mini SE Plus. So this is the AI based machine basically. So this is software developed in India. So we can do integration. So whatever necessary integration or you need to make modifications that we can do. Then coming about Minerva IoT, this is all-in-one platform. So these are the services basically developed by ZKTECO, and we are giving services. So based on the these services, we made our ZK Bio platform, cloud access. Then we have a visitor management, visitor access solution. So it is all ZK product only. Then now this is ZK Biosecurity. This is all-in-one access control, time and attendance, then visitor management. So this completely gives a all-in-one overview software. So this one solution with all your needs. You can
Biometric
get
security solution.
yeah one stop solution we can say for it, and it can be integrated with a different kind of module. Okay, so next coming to the security inspection product, baggage scanner we have, DSMD is there. uh, so we have the software. So this is particularly if you want to see any threat from the bag, or if any person is carrying metal, so you can identify from here. And the next is like the core product. This is our new product, Armatura. So this is the new controller which is Wi-Fi enabled, and it gives a Bluetooth reader also. There are like OSDP protocol. It supports OSDP protocol, and this have card mode. Then we have a software, web-based, cloud-based, and the mobile app is there. So this is the new which we can see in this exhibition. So this is the new product which we have launched, especially here. Next is the cloud attendance system solution. So this is cloud software. Cloud software. We have a app, so you can create multiple companies. Then you can get the reports. Mobile WhatsApp notification is there. Digital reimbursement feature. So using one solution, like in mobile, you can tap, you can add the reimbursement. So all in one solution it is. This is Indian make, and it is highly secure because we are integrated with the AWS server. And then coming to the access control solution, this is flap barrier. Flap barrier, it can be integrated with face reader, card readers, and the throughput is around 25%. So you can take a quick access. Now it is in free mode. If you can use the card and you can take a quick access over here. This is swing lane. So based on the customer requirement, this is high-end model, and that is like a standard model. This is high-end model. So you can take a quick access using card, fingerprint, or if you want to use a hybrid model with a face, so it can be integrated easily. So integration is easy in this. And the next solution is LPRC, license plate recognition system. This is smart parking solution. Smart parking solution, you can add a license plate, and it will be getting after once your license has been read, so it will give access. So using our software, you have different modules like parking management, the complete solution for corporate you want, or if you want for a vehicle management solution for a society buildings, so we can give a vehicle management complete. So this can be a dual factor authentication. with face and number plate. Both it can be done.
So thank you, Hari Krishnan sir, for your valuable time. And we had seen lots of innovative product over here in ZKTECO stall. So Hari Krishnan sir, can you brief our follow and subscriber our stall number and our hall number so people can visit your stall and see live demonstration over here?
So thank you. Our hall number is 5 and stall number is I02. So if you want to visit here, you can see various product line starting from access, time and attendance, multi-door. So all the solutions, so ready setup is available. You can visit to us. Thank you so much.
So thank you, Hari Krishnan sir, for your valuable time. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.